going to make a pendulum. Do you know what is a pendulum? Let me tell you. A pendulum is a body suspended from a fixed support so that it swings freely back and forth under the influence of gravity. Did you know that pendulum is a new Latin word which means hanging?
So these are the things we need. A bottle, a string, some tape and some sand. So this is how to make a pendulum. First, cut the bottle into half. Then make a hole in the bottle cap. Poke 2 holes at the side of the bottle. Use a string to tie it around. Tie it inside the holes. Then cover the hole with some tape. So let's get started.
First, pour the sand into the bottle. Now, gently remove the tape. Do you know how does a pendulum work? It is due to the force of gravity. As Italian scientist Galileo discovered, the clever thing about a pendulum is that it always takes the same amount of time to make one complete swing. In theory, the only thing that affects how fast a pendulum swings is its length and the strength of gravity.
Now I'm doing mine. So big. Hope you like, subscribe to our channel, Science Squad, and follow us on Facebook. Bye bye.